When working on a video editing project in Premiere Pro, there are times that you want to add a motion graphics that is not available in the Premiere Pro preset panel, and maybe you cannot do the animation right inside Adobe Premiere Pro, either because you don't know how to do it, or Adobe Premiere Pro cannot even handle some of the effects or animation you want to do inside it. So this is where dynamic linking Adobe Premiere Pro right from inside your project to After Effects, and then complete the effect or animation and then have it reflect automatically inside your video editing project. And today I want to show you how you can do just that in Adobe Premiere Pro and then After Effects. So support me on this one. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, then turn on the notification bell, then come back. Let's get started. Now I've already started with a new project in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to know how to do this, I already have a video that covers from A to Z of how you can start a video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you are a beginner, you can check that video out on the card above. Now let's get into it. So if you want to link this back into After Effects so that you can add a motion graphics effect or whatever kind of animation you want to do inside After Effects, first of all, what you need to do is to come to the project manager window right here. You see this icon second before the last one to the right. You see it, click on it, go to color matte, then you hit OK. Any color is set here, doesn't really matter. Then you hit OK. Then you can name your color matte, then you hit OK. That is going to create a color solid layer right inside your project manager window. Drag it on top of the video right here. So I'm going to simply expand this so that we can see what we've just added. So it doesn't matter what part you want it to cover, just determine it like this. At this point, it is very important because if you right click right here, you're going to go to replace with Adobe After Effects composition, and this is going to open After Effects automatically. Then it will ask you to save, where you will start a new animation and it will reflect here. That is if you want to start the animation from scratch. But in a case where you have the animation done already, maybe like a logo animation, an effect, whatever it is, and you want it to reflect on your project, so instead of starting all over again, what you need to do in this case is to first of all boot Adobe After Effects and open the project. This way After Effects would open and link this project directly with your Premiere Pro. So let's do that. Now right click on the color matte layer, then you select replace with After Effects composition. This is gonna bring up this. So now this is your Premiere Pro linked composition. So what you're gonna do is just select your animation. For example, this is what I want to add to the beginning of that video. I will just hide the background layer in it. Then I will go back to this composition that is linked. Then I will select the text animation composition, drag and drop it into this one. Then I will just save. You see the animation right there. So all you need to do now is to just save and it will reflect right there. So let's go back to Premiere Pro and check. You see it has reflected right here. But currently the first solid layer is still reflecting. So let's go back. If you want it transparent, you just go back to After Effects. You hide that solid color layer. Make sure you save. If you go back to Premiere Pro now, after saving, you see that it has updated without the color background, just like you have offed it in Adobe After Effects. But you can still not see the text. But usually if you have rendered this, you have to go back and render again. But in this case, just go back into After Effects and change the color and it will automatically update. So let's add a fill effect to this. Let's go with white so that it will be highly contrasting with the color that we have there. But make sure you save. I'm also going to hit S on the keyboard and increase the scale right here. Always make sure you save for every changes you make. And you can see it has updated quickly. And that is how you can link your Adobe After Effects and work your animation inside After Effects to Premiere Pro. If you have any question, please leave comments below. I will be quick to answer your question. Make sure you like the video so that the algorithm will suggest it to more people. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. I also do After Effects tutorials. In the future, I'll be showing you how you can make some bucks online using your skills that you have learned in this channel. So until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB.